Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the OneDrive account you intend to clear. Make sure it's the right Microsoft ID. Next, pause syncing from the OneDrive system tray icon so changes don't immediately propagate to devices. Once done, verify crucial local files are saved elsewhere, because deletions in the cloud remove linked copies. Now open the OneDrive web interface or File Explorer view to begin removing folders and files. This is where you take the very first actionable deletions. You'll now remove content systematically. Start by selecting ranges with Shift or picking individual files with Control to speed the process. Use the delete command to send items to OneDrive's recycle bin if you might recover them. Use Shift plus delete only when you want permanent removal immediately. When folders contain many subfolders, expand and delete top-level folders to clear space faster. Make sure to monitor use storage. When done here, proceed to clear the cloud recycle bin to free allotted quota. Finish by emptying the OneDrive recycle bin in the web interface. That completes cloud removal and releases storage. Once emptied, resume syncing on your device and verify the OneDrive status shows 0 files or the storage number you expect. If you encounter sync errors or files reappear, unlink the account from OneDrive settings, restart the app, and relink. This forces a fresh state. If problems persist, sign out of the Microsoft account, reboot, and sign back in to force reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.